The certifications that people earn through our programs are going to benefit in many, many ways. They're going to benefit personally because they're going to elevate their skill level. Their knowledge is going to expand and become enhanced, and they're going to see it in themselves. All the people who attend our training always say they leave with something more than they had. And it really is more than just getting the facts about the policies and procedures and the different rules that are required to conduct criminal defense investigations, but they learn the nuances and how to navigate the system. And that's probably one of the most difficult things. There's a lot of processes and a lot of systems we have to understand as criminal defense investigators that we don't in other areas of investigation or even in law enforcement, that you never worried about. What we do here, we have to understand the rules of evidence. We have to understand the criminal rules of procedure for our jurisdictions. We have to understand the ABA rules because we're agents of counsel. We have to understand the agent of counsel doctrine, that we are given the confidentiality of an attorney as an agent of counsel, the attorney-client privilege. We have to recognize and understand the ins and outs of the work product doctrine, that what is work product, what is not work product, when is it work product. There's so much we have to learn. And by gaining all of this knowledge, the individual investigator becomes more confident in themselves and their abilities, and they can do more for people. They also gain a certain amount of respect from their colleagues and peers. I always say, if you're going to be an investigator, it's important for you to be at that table with attorneys and other experts, and you have to be the subject matter expert. And when there's a question about investigation, you're the one who knows the answer. You're the one who come out with it immediately and apply it to the situation through scenarios, through allegory. You just have the ability to consider in and out of context, and that's what's going to come from them. So it's respect from peers as well. So respect for yourself, respect from peers, and there's nothing better than being able to stand on a witness stand and testify. And then when someone asks you the question, a prosecutor more than likely will say to you, well, Mr. Perron, isn't it true that you're no longer a sworn police officer? Say, no, I'm not. I'm a board-certified criminal defense investigator, a certified forensic interviewer in the FTER method, or I am a certified forensic science investigator. I am nationally recognized, and I can go through the training and go through the regimen that I had to do to earn it. I had to go through specific training, days of training, hours of training. I had to go through a certification process that included peer recognition. I had to have attorneys provide recommendations that they also saw me as an expert and would recommend me to anybody. I had to have a certain amount of experience, quality experience to apply. I can say with pride on that stand, I am a board-certified criminal defense investigator. And I will look that jury right in the eye and tell them. And I will gain so much more just from marketing myself. And marketing myself, whether I'm in a government agency with the public defender's office or marketing myself to the general public, to let them, why choose me? Why hire me? Why utilize me? Because I have a special skill set that can get the job done. And I am one of only approximately 300 in the entire nation. I ask those out there who are interested, who want to perfect their skills, who want to be warriors, who want to defend the United States Constitution at the highest level, defend the Sixth Amendment right to fair trial, defend the Fourth Amendment, the Fifth Amendment, the 14th Amendment, to really get in the trenches, not just carry a sign and protest and claim they're doing something for social justice or that they want to protest that we need criminal justice reform. If you want to protest criminal justice reform, join us. Join our ranks. Become a warrior and fight and defend the Constitution one case at a time. That's what affects change. Holding a sign and saying something on social media does nothing. Fight the good fight. Be a warrior. Make it happen.